Hi, my name is Medha and I'm an incoming sophomore at Mission San Jose High School, and for my main project I chose a 3D printed robotic arm. So for my first milestone I decided to get this flex sensor hooked up with the serial monitor because the flex sensor needs to map out my motions with the robot's motions, and the flex sensor is basically a sensor and it bends. Whenever it bends, the resistance of it changes and therefore the voltage changes, so that's what would get on our serial monitor. So I connected all these parts to the serial monitor, and I also added an LED so that I could physically see it affecting something. So as I turn it this way, the voltage would decrease because the resistance is increasing, and then the LED would dim. And if I turn it this way, the voltage is increasing because the resistance of the flex sensor is decreasing, and then the LED brightens. So as the resistance it works because the resistance of the sensor keeps changing depending on how much it's bending. So it starts off with a 5 volt that gets connected, and then the 5 volt is also connected to a 10 ohm resistor, which is then connected to the flex sensor. And the flex sensor is also connected to the ground and an analog input, which gives our serial monitor our voltage value. It's also connected to the LED, which is then connected to a 270 ohm resistor and then a digital port. And the digital port is configured as an output so that it would give current to the LED. One of my main struggles was figuring out whether to use the 5 volt or the 3.3 volt, and also which resistors to use. So from this part of the project, I learned a lot about flex sensors and how it can connect to the serial monitor. And my next milestone will be getting the flex sensor to work with the servo so that I can actually control it using the motions from the flex sensor. Thank you for watching.